seed, buddy. Name the seed. Whoa, good boy. Good.
Nice. Keep going. Woo! Okay, get some more. Oh,
Wow.
Oh, that's cool.
What on earth is that? Isn't that cool?
Oh
It's a
my
book.
gosh, how cute.
And with a flashlight. Now I'm not sure how it works,
Oh,
so
no.
you won't get to read that.
That's the card he's got.
Wow.
See that?
What do you say to Mama and Papa?
Isn't that one?
Yeah, good boy.
Got to open
Wow,
that up.
Beck, you were gonna love it.
Isn't
Should
that
we
the
open
little
it right
card
now?
right there?
Yeah.
There it is, right
He's
there.
a
Like,
Cars
lights
fanatic.
right now.
Yeah, we
Mom,
probably
not
need some
quick
batteries
enough.
for half off for the flashlight.
Oh,
What makes noises?
Yeah, it does stuff with the book.
Oh,
It's
neat.
interactive with the book or something.
oh, so you like press a sticker.
Oh, it's a pop-up
Oh my
book.
goodness. Oh, gotta be gentle,
Be
gentle,
careful with that.
gentle. Look.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, how cute. It says which button to push.
Yeah, which button?
Oh.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Who do you see? Who else? And who else? Yeah.
Knows
Nader.
them all.
Yeah.
He's obsessed.
He knows.
He's as obsessed with that as Cody
Who's
was
that?
with Ghostbusters.
Really?
Yeah.
See if there's, and he knows Luigi. Wow, this is fancy. Thank you.
Well, and I thought he'd like the flashlight thing too, because you get to
Yeah,
push
it's like
buttons.
his
It
favorite
shines on the ceiling.
things.
Different cards on the ceiling. I think.
Yeah,
Oh,
it does all kinds of stuff.
Oh, wow.